Key everyone. Welcome to Power Brain TV. Subscribe for more videos and get faster notification of the video. Please like, subscribe, comment and share. Class 9I T Information Technology. Chapter 4 ICT, Computer and its Parts. Questions and Answers. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks. A. Hard disk is also known as Winchester disk. B. Christopher Latham Scholes is the inventor of keyboard. C. MICR code consists of 9 digits. D. The point of connection used for plugging the cable is called peripheral device. A. Kernel allocates and the allocates memory in an operating system. F. The quality of image captured by digital camera is measured in units of dpi. 2. Select the most suitable alternative. A. Which of the following is not a type of keyboard? I. QWERTY. E. AZERTY. E. QWERTZ. IV. DVRKOA. Answer: IV DVRKOA. B. Laser printer is also known as page printer. I. Serial printer. E. Wire matrix printer. E. Line printer. IV. Page printer. Answer: IV. Page printer. C. Printer port is an example of. I. Serial port. E. Parallel port. E. Print port. IV. None of these. Answer: E. Parallel port. D. Which of the following is used to display information in the form of slides? I. DTP package. E. Presentation package. E. CAD package. IV. None of these. Answer: E. Presentation package. A. Which of the following software is designed to fulfill a specific requirement of an individual or organization? I. Customized software. E. Utility software. E. System software. IV. None of these. Answer: IV. None of these. 3. Expand these abbreviations. A. HDMI. Answer: High Definition Multimedia Interface. B. BOS. Answer: Bharat Operation System Solution. C. DOS. Answer: Disk Operating System. D. LED. Answer: Light Emitting Diode. A. DPI. Answer: Dots per inch. F. OMR. Answer: Optical Mark Recognition. G. MICR. Answer: Magnetic Ink Character Recognition. H. SMPS. Answer: Switched Mode Power Supply. I. SWAY. Answer: Character User Interface. J. PCI. Answer: Peripheral Component Interconnect. 4. Differentiate between. A. RJ11 and RJ45. Answer: 1. RJ11. I. RJ11 is another type of registered jack that is used as an interface for telephone, modem or ADSL connections. E. RJ11 is smaller port and uses a 6-pin connector. 2. RJ45. I. Ethernet is networking technology that is used to connect computer to internet and communicate with other computers or networking devices. E. RJ45 connector is an 8-pin connector. B. RAM and ROM. Answer: 1. RAM. I. It stands for Random Access Memory. E. It can be read or write. E. It is volatile memory. IV. It is larger than ROM. V. It is faster than ROM. 2. ROM. I. It stands for read-only memory. E. It can be read only. E. It is non-volatile memory. IV. It is smaller than RAM. C. Printer and plotter. Answer: I. Printer. Printer is a common output device which is used for the purpose of printing documents. E. Plotter. Plotter is an output device that helps in printing high-quality visuals, charts, graphs, tables and diagrams, etc. D. LCD and LED monitor. Answer: I. LCD. LCD stands for liquid crystal display. Liquid crystal is a kind of material that is neither liquid nor a solid, it comes in between these two states of matter. It has properties similar to that of the crystallized solid. The arrangement of molecules is in a fixed pattern, however they are not fixed in shape or form. LED. LED stands for light-emitting diode, and it is a semiconductor light source that emits light when current flows through it. It is a type of flat panel display that uses an array of light-emitting diodes as pixels for displaying images. It comprises two sheets of polarizing material with a liquid crystal solution between them. A. Serial port and parallel. Answer I. A serial port can transfer a single data stream. The serial port sends data over and over again. E. A parallel port can transfer multiple data streams. Parallel ports send more than one bit at a time. 5. Discuss briefly about A. Ports. Answer. Ports are sockets that are used to connect external devices. Generally, a desktop computer's motherboard consists of USB ports, serial port, parallel port, audio port, network port, modem port, monitor port etc. B. BOS. Answer. BOS Bharat Operating System Solution has been developed by CDAC, India. We can easily begin to work in BOS Linux once it is installed in the system. A system can be booted with BOS Linux by selecting any option on the screen which is displayed when a BOS installer DVD is inserted in the DVD drive. C. Device driver. Answer. A device driver is a form of software that enables a hardware device to be compatible with the computer. D. Firewire. Answer. Firewire is used with digital audio, video camcorders, personal computer PC, and offers sustained data transfer rates of over 3200 Mbps. Firewire was developed by Apple PCs as its main communication interface. A. Cache memory. Answer. Besides RAM and ROM, there are some other primary memories like the cache or buffer memory. Cache memory is a part of CPU and is used when there is swapping of information between the primary memory and the ALU. Cache memory is faster than RAM. 6. Answer the following questions. A. What is kernel? Answer. Kernel is the core part of an OS that does all major activities such as memory allocation, CPU time, scheduling, etc. Closing parenthesis. B. What is database? Answer. The control unit and the internet storage are linked together by sets of parallel electrical conducting lines called buses. The buses that carry data are called data buses. C. What is non-impact printer? Answer. Non-impact printer prints the output by thermal, chemical, electrostatic, laser beam or inkjet technology. D. What is graphics card? Answer. A graphics card is an expansion board that enables to process and display videos. A. What are the three different language processors? Answer. Three different language processors are I. Assembler, E. Interpreter, E. Compiler. 7. Long answer questions. A. Explain about the different types of printers. Answer. Different types of printer are I. Impact printer. Impact printer prints the contents by striking the printer head or needle on an ink ribbon which rolls through the cartridge to make mark on the paper. E. Non-impact printer. Non-impact electrostatic, laser beam or inkjet technology. Resolution and is faster as compared to impact printer. Colorful contents too. B. Explain about expansion card with examples. Answer. Expansion boards or cards are connected to the sockets of motherboard called expansion slots. The expansion slot is a socket circuit that allows to attach devices such as modems, sound cards, graphics cards, network interface cards, etc. to the computer in order to expand its working capability and performance. C. What is secondary memory? Give examples. Answer. Secondary memory refers to the permanent storage of data. During the operation of computer, the currently used data lies in the temporary memory. It may be lost if the computer is suddenly switched off. Examples: hard drive, SSD, flash, optical drive, USB drive. D. Explain about the different types of application software with examples. Answer: there are two types of application software. I. Application package. Application packages are typically designed to accomplish some specific type of tasks to meet the needs of a user. Some examples of application packages are I. Word processing package. E. Spreadsheet package. E. Database management package. IV. DTP package. V. CAD package. V. Case package. E. Customized software. Software which is designed especially for a specific purpose to fulfill the requirement of a particular individual or an organization is called a customized software. It is also called tailor-made software. For example, inventory management system, fee collection system, etc. A. Explain the two categories of computer ports. Answer: serial ports send data one bit at a time instead of simultaneously. Serial ports commonly connect mice, keyboards, modems, and printers. Parallel ports connect computers with devices like printers that need high bandwidth. Thanks for watching with Power Brain TV. Please don't forget to subscribe.